Let's delete your Instagram account. First of all, open up Instagram and go to your profile. Tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next step, open main menu. Tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Account Center. Then you should find personal details information. Just proceed to it. Next step, select last option, account ownership and control. Then tap on deactivation or deletion. Then select Instagram and you will see your personal login over here. Then select delete account and tap on this little circle. Then tap on continue. Select reason why you want to delete Instagram account. Anyway, you can select and then tap on continue. Then tap on continue. Enter your current password and then tap on continue. When you tap on continue and entered your password, your Instagram account will be permanently deleted.